Hello, my name is Youssef, and today I'd like to share with you my analysis and buy recommendation of Foot Locker.
Foot Locker is a growing, increasingly profitable global multi-retailer specializing in sportswear and athletic footwear. The company operates in over 3,400 stores in 23 different countries around the world and is currently the largest retailer of athletic shoes in the United States, with over 75% of its sales generated from its athletic footwear businesses, where it commands 20% market share. Over the past 5 years, Foot Locker has experienced phenomenal growth, consistently growing its earnings per share at 10% annually, despite the stock currently trading at a 21% discount to the S&P 500 Specialty Retail Index. In order to get a better understanding of Foot Locker's fair value moving forward, let's now take the opportunity to apply the Credit Suisse Holt valuation methodology. CFROI is the lifeblood of the Holt methodology and is a cash flow-based metric that approximates the IRR of investments and projects taken on by a business. There are three major driving forces for CFROI: sales, margins, and asset turns. As we can see here, Foot Locker consistently generated CFROI above its discount rate from 2000 to 2006 from steady improvements in sales growth and operating margins despite a decline in asset efficiency, specifically regarding increased asset growth during a period of reduction in asset turns. However, in 2007 and 2008, Foot Locker experienced a detrimental blow to all three drivers as a result of lower consumer spending and an industry trend away from mall-based stores, resulting in a severe downturn of the firm's shareholder wealth-generating capabilities. Since then, Foot Locker has made a concentrated effort to implement a new corporate strategy with four main components. First is an active store-based restructuring initiative that reallocates stores based on historical performance to maximize sales output. Second are acquisitions, such as Runners Point in 2013, that added 6% to the top line, granted cost and revenue synergies, and increased Europe market share. Third are industry partnerships that increase Foot Locker sales through product brand recognition, joint ventures, and compounded growth from other industries such as Nike's recent 2017 sponsorship deal with the NBA. Fourth and lastly is an active share repurchase plan, growing at twice the rate required to achieve their goal of $600 million in repurchased shares by 2016, indication that Foot Locker believes the stock is currently undervalued. Furthermore, with certain assumptions in place, the discounted cash flow model I've constructed projects an intrinsic value of $120 per share based on Foot Locker's future free cash flows over the next 5 years. With any good investment comes several risks. First is partnership reliance, where Foot Locker has a lack of product negotiating power and a significant reliance on vendor supply. Second is unpredictability of the industry, where volatile customer preferences, fashion trends, and industry seasonality can negatively affect sales growth. Lastly are international risks, such as current economic recession in Europe and a stronger US dollar that could stagnate growth overseas. Overall, Foot Locker is fundamentally undervalued with a target share price of $98.